everyone. Today I am going to explain about physical and chemical changes. Those changes in which no new substances are formed are called physical changes. The properties such as state, size, shape and color of a substance are called its physical properties. So we can also say that those changes in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties are called physical changes. The important characteristics of physical changes are as follows. No new substances is formed in a physical change. Physical change is temporary change. A physical change can be easily reversed. Very little energy is either absorbed or evolved a physical change. A temporary change in color may take place in a physical change. We can change physical state of matter into two ways, by changing the temperature and by changing the pressure. Interconversion of states of matter by changing the temperature. Let us know about freezing. When water is cooled by lowering its temperature by keeping in the freezer compartment of a refrigerator, it changes into solid ice. The process of changing a liquid into a solid by cooling is called freezing. I converted water into solid. Now I let this solid ice cubes to melt.
Till ice cubes melt,
I will explain about melting. The process in which a solid substance changes into liquid on heating is called melting. So when ice changes into water on heating is called melting of ice. Solid melt at a fixed temperature. This temperature is at which a solid changes into liquid is called melting point. See, solid ice cubes are completely melted. Now I'll explain about boiling. Before that, I'll keep this water to boil to show the boiling process. Now it's time to know what is boiling. The process in which a liquid substance changes into a gas rapidly on heating is called boiling. The temperature at which liquid boils and changes rapidly into a gas at atmospheric pressure is called boiling point of the liquid.
see how the water is boiling. Liquid boils and changes into a gas.
Let us know about evaporation. The process in which liquid substance changes into a gas even at room temperature is called evaporation. It is a slow process and starts from the liquid surface. Now let us know about condensation. Condensation is the process of changing gas or vapor to a liquid by cooling is called condensation. So, when steam or water vapor changes into water on cooling, it is called condensation of steam or condensation of water vapor. Now I'll keep this dry lid on the hot water container. See how the water is evaporating. I will cover the gas or vapor by this dry lid.
See how the vapor lies on the dry lid in the form of liquid.
Now let us know about sublimation. There are a few solid substances which change directly into vapor or gas on heating and the vapor gives back solid substance on cooling without passing through the liquid state. The changing of solid directly into vapor on heating is called as sublimation. The common substances which undergo sublimation are ammonium chloride, iodine, camphor and naphthalene.
Sublimation experiment at home. Cut a plastic bottle like this, take some crushed camphor in a bowl, shape a little flour duff and seal the bottle's bottom. No space should be left uncovered or unsealed. Keep the setup in the sunlight. After half an hour, the color of the bottle starts changing. After 3 hours, you can clearly see the small sublimated camphor on the walls of this bottle. Remove the seal to find beautiful sublimation.
The reverse of sublimation, that is conversion of a gas directly into solid, is called deposition. Let's know about spoilage of food. When food gets spoiled, it produces a foul smell. This shows that new substances have been formed in the spoiled food which have foul smell. So that the spoilage of food is a chemical change. For example,
the cut surface of a brinjal or potato turns black on keeping in air for some time due to chemical change.
Let us know about rusting. When a iron object is left in damp air or water for a considerable time, it gets covered with a red-brown flaky substance called rust. This is called rusting of iron. During the rusting of iron, iron metal combines with the oxygen of air in the presence of water moisture to form a compound, iron oxide. Rusting of iron can be prevented by painting, by applying grease or oil, or by depositing a coating of zinc metal over its surface. This process is called galvanization. Heat and light are also given out during the burning of paper. The burning of paper is a permanent change which cannot be reversed.
Burning. If we burn a paper with a lighted matchstick, then entirely new substances such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, smoke and ash are produced. So the burning of a paper is a chemical change.